Amathimba amabili akhethekile amaphoyisa aphenya isigameko sokudubula esenzeke ngosuku Ncibijane eMelville naseNewtown eGoli. Obambe njengo Ndunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uvakashele izisulu zalokuhlasela ezibhedlela iCharlotte Maxeke kanye naseHelen Kusembulwa kwembeswa egunjini labagula kakhulu ezibhedlela komunye umuntu odubuleke kulesigameko kanti ke sebewuphonsa umbalane abanye ababili.
Bengakapheli ngisho amahora amabili abantu bejabulela ukungena onyakeni omusha khathi kwenzeka lesi sigameko eMelville. Ngokwemfanekiso yamakhamera eCCTV kubonakale uhlobo lwemoto enkulu iBMW lungena kulomgwaqo u7th Street ngaphambi kokuba abebephakathi bavulele ngenhlamvu equluni labantu abebezijabulisa kule ndawo.
Somebody rolled me over because I was lying on my stomach. He rolled me onto my back. He could see the bullet wound. And he took off his t-shirt and he applied pressure. And next to me, I saw the two ladies who unfortunately passed away. But they were still alive at the time.
Omunye obe izisulu lapha uthi ubemile ngaphakathi endaweni yokudlela khathi ezwa ngemvula yezinhlamvu.
We got into the restaurant hardly even 45 minutes we were in the restaurant, and we saw people falling. And then when we looked, I just felt this hard blow to my pelvic area, and then we realized that I've been shot.
Umuntu wesithathu odubuleke lapha kubikwa ukuthi usesimweni esibucayi esibhedlela. Ubufakazi obusaqoqiwe okwamanje bubonisa ukuthi inumber plate yemoto obekhamba ngayo abasolwa bengisiwe eyangampela njengoba umnikazi wayo uthi ubengekho eMelville ngesikhathi kwenzeka lenhlekelele.
In terms of the Melville attacks, the police are convinced where they are now that they're about to crack that case in terms of the information that they've gathered and also in terms of the relevant people that they've provided the information that can assist them to crack that case.
Amaphoyisa aphenya.